What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a starter box here. Original genuine Honda part, manufactured parts by Honda. Anyways, the part number is 312005 boy apple 52 Robert Mary. Take a look at that if you guys want to see it. Anyways, we're gonna unbox it, baby. This is not a cheap product. If your starter fails, you're stuck somewhere, it's gonna cost you more in towing and everything. So you rather put original part. I did it on my car. This girl, I give her option original, give her a price. Aftermarket, give her a price. She chose original. Two people in my shop that has done this. One is me, second is her. Anyways, how much this part cost? Let's look at this. This part, my cost, the shop cost, is $525 with the $75 core included in that. So the part actually is $450. This starter is a $450. I'm gonna mount this. This car is a 2017 Honda Civic. 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17 is same. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 is also same. I'm not sure about the part number, but the job is similar. So make sure you check on your part number, but when you see me do this on the next video, it's the same thing. But anyways, we're gonna unbox this. I thought I'm gonna need my butter knife, but this thing doesn't have any seal. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna pop this baby open, and this thing lifts up. Inside, you got a simple little packaging with this cardboard squashed up. Inside that, you have a genuine Honda starter. It looks good, it feels good. Look at this baby. I'm gonna bring this close to the camera so everyone can see it up close and personal. This is what this baby looked like. It got a Honda sign here, Mitsubishi. I've seen people bring me this stuff off Amazon. It says Mitsubishi, and then you put that in and it doesn't work out. Look at this from the rear end. This thing is built for quality. One pin connector, one bolt main power supply there, and it grounds off. So a lot of times I do tell people to file this area so the ground can be nice and good. Clean up the thing right here so it can mount and ground itself through the bolt. Do both sides would be a good idea. But anyways, this is what this baby looked like. We're gonna go back onto the table. Talk a little bit about these starters. So starter is what starts your car. And I'm sure you guys know about that. There's a lot of people out there that might not know about that. But starter is something that's going to start your vehicle, and it only starts the car. After that, it has no use till next startup. And starter, these small little compact starters. So the motor is only about like that big in there, and the front part of it is the solenoid part. So it's like just a small little starter. And they fail pretty easily. Usually the brushes go, and if you open up the back when you're all started, you're gonna see a lot of black material, carbon-like fall out. That's due to it has failed. The brushes have been worn out. So if you hear like, if you hear like a smack, like, and it doesn't, you turn the key and it does, or you want to jump start it once, maybe the power is low, but other than that, most likely your starter is bad. So if it does do, that could mean your power supply is low. But if it does, when you turn the key, that means your starter is not, its solenoid is clicking, but the starter is not turning over. Sometimes it'll be a slow, it wants to start, but it's low power or weak starter, either or. So do replace your battery if that's the case, if you have low power or your alternator is done. Before that, you want to give it a jump start. Anyways, guys, I want to appreciate you guys watching my video on this smaller unboxing. It's not much to look in here. And I always go for original parts on my vehicle because it's better to put original stuff than have your car towed, and it will cost you more. But why pay? Well, let's say you stuck about 50 miles away. That's good $200 towing, and you're gonna end up paying more than the starter. But these things, I changed my starter in 2000, I believe 13 or 14. I have an 04 Accord. It failed about 10 years later. And it's been about 10 years, and it's still, it turns over good. Oh, one more thing I want to mention. Whenever I put it aftermarket, even those Remy starters I use, they give me a good warranty. This thing gives me only a year warranty with the dealer from the day of the purchase. A lot of other parts you will have a year warranty with their aftermarket stuff. Remy gives me a lifetime warranty. That catches me, lifetime warranty. But every time I put in the starter, when you start it, it seems like the starter is not 100%. When this thing starts up, you're gonna listen to. I'm gonna let you guys listen to this. Once I replace this, you will hear the sound of it. It sounds like a machine instead of at the end of it. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching my video, but let's listen to the sound. Let me do this job and then I will edit that into this video. But other than that, it's pretty good. Let's see how it goes. Anyway, listen to the sound of the starter. It sounds amazing. Silence. One more time. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom, okay?